Welcome back. ONGC from Dehradun will take on BPCL from Kerala in the final of the first All India Volleyball Tournament organised by Kunkoli Union. Goa's Two Signals Training Centre will clash with Haryana State IDC for the third place.
Very good. Yes. Okay, Marada.
Goa Cricket Association has kept its promise to send affiliated club officials for IPL matches. The first lot of clubs left from the state on Saturday evening. They will watch the match in Bangalore between Royal Challengers and Sunrisers Hyderabad on Sunday evening. This opportunity will provide the local club representatives a chance to experience top-class cricket setup.
Royal Challengers Bangalore will be happy to have finally arrived home after a mixed campaign in the UAE. RCB's home match against Sunrisers Hyderabad will have Goan flavour to it, as these GCA affiliate club members will be at the Chinnaswamy Stadium to watch the game. GCA has taken this initiative to send club representatives for IPL matches, as the cricket governing body in the state wants the local clubs to improve their organizational ability. Co-opted GCA member and Sangay MLA Subhash Fardesai explained the idea.
Not everybody can afford to go to Bangalore, make it stay and witness the match. जे क्लबाचे मेंबर्स वतात ते निश्चितपणान आपल्या क्लबा खातीर कितें तरी नवें कार्य करपा खातीर गोंयांत भितर येवन बरी प्रमोशन्स करपाक शकतात. हातूंतल्यान गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशनाक बरे खेळगडी मेळपाक शकतात, बरे क्लब्स अटॅच जावपाक शकतात आनी तातूंतल्यान क्रिकेटीची उदरगत जावपाक शकता.
Mayur Naik for Prudent.
With the strong desire for justice for Rafael da Costa and demanding strict punishment to culprit Zain in the sword assault case, citizens held a candlelight vigil in the capital city. They also submitted memorandum to the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar demanding thorough investigation. Many prominent personalities, including ministers and MLAs, and the other victim in this case, Raju Sareen, attended the candlelight rally.
To demand justice for Rafael and Raju, who were brutally attacked outside a city pub on Easter morning. Well, as you can see, a number of his friends, supporters and well-wishers have turned up out here, all with one sole aim, to demand justice.
कितें उलयलो आमचे कडेन, कितें डिस्कशन शे केलें आनी अकस्मात आमचे येवन तलवारी चलयल्यो. म्हाज्या आनी म्हाज्या फ्रेंडाचेर, राफेलाचेर इतलें वायटपण ताणें अशें केलें, आमकां केन्ना चिंतूं सुद्दां ना अशे तरेन आमचेर कोण हल्लो करतलो म्हणून. चडशे करून म्हाज्या राफेलाच्या फ्रेंडा खातीर इतलें जालां ताका एक जस्टीस मेळचो अशें हांव मागता सगळ्यां कडेन.
I'm come here in support of a friend, because how can I define Rafael in a simple word? He's a jewel of a he's a jewel of a person.
It is unfortunate that this is happening in the constituency of our Chief Minister, who talks about good governance in Uttar Pradesh, but cannot give good governance in Goa. People of his own constituency have come out to show that they are unsafe from gundas who have political patronage and who have state and police support.
And I have no relation with this Almeida at all, Steve Almeida at all. I met him for the first day that day. And this time I am dragged into it because I went for the dog show. Please, I would not be I really don't want to be dragged in such controversies, and I want to be out of it. That's why, to show my solidarity, I came here.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.